What can I help you with?
I am starting a new business in Fairfax County. Can you tell me about the BPOL, Business, Professional, and Occupational License Tax?
Yes, I can. All business owners, including owners of home-based businesses, are subject to the BPOL tax. Business owners are required to register their business with the Department of Tax Administration within 75 days of beginning business operations in Fairfax County. If not filed within 75 days, a 10% penalty for late filing will apply. Businesses with gross receipts and purchases of $100,000 or less pay a flat fee as follows. There is no fee for businesses with gross receipts and purchases of $10,000 or less. For businesses with gross receipts and purchases of $10,001 to $50,000, the fee is $30. For businesses with gross receipts and purchases of $50,001 to $100,000, the fee is $50. If gross receipts and purchases are $100,001 or more, then the BPOL tax rate applies. The tax rate varies based on the nature of the business and is specified in the BPOL ordinance. Instructions to complete the form are located on the back of the forms. If your business began in Fairfax County this year, you need to provide DTA with an estimated gross receipts. If your business began in the county prior to January 1st of this year, please provide the actual total gross receipts and exclusions for all applicable prior tax years. If you are applying for exclusions, you must complete the exclusion worksheet for each applicable tax year. Failure to complete the necessary exclusion worksheet will result in denial of exclusions. Exclusions are listed in the Fairfax County Code or on our website. The retail merchants must provide a sales tax locality code and a sales and use tax account number. If you are a first-year applicant, the BPOL form can be downloaded from our website. In order to complete the form, you will need the following information: IRS taxpayer ID number, NAICS code, owner name, trade name, business address, description of business, estimated first-year gross receipts and purchases, beginning date, authorized signature and title, and contact information. For businesses classified as contractors, builders and developers, architects, and professional engineers must provide a copy of their state license or work compensation if a business has 3 or more employees. The county's BPOL ordinance requires an estimate for the first partial and the next first full calendar year of operation. Although the first 2 years of operation require an estimate of gross receipts or purchases for wholesale merchants, in reality, the tax is based on actual gross receipts, since adjustments are made the following year during the estimating phase. For all subsequent calendar years, the BPOL tax is based solely on the prior year actual gross receipts. You can either mail, fax, or email completed filing forms. Once the taxes are paid in full, you will receive your business license. Businesses located in the cities of Fairfax, Falls Church, Alexandria, and the towns of Clifton, Herndon, and Vienna are not subject to county BPOL tax, but should contact those jurisdictions for license tax requirements. Businesses located in the towns of Clifton, Herndon, and Vienna are required to file business tangible personal property returns with the county. Business owners must renew their BPOL license each year. Both filing and payments are due by March 1st, or the next business day if it falls on a weekend or a county holiday. A 10% penalty for late filing will be assessed for renewals submitted after March 1st. If you are an existing BPOL filer with Fairfax County, you will receive a BPOL renewal form in the mail by mid-January. Business owners are also required to pay business personal property tax annually, which includes furniture and fixtures, machinery and tools, and computer equipment. The deadline to file is May 1st, and payment is due on October 5th or the next business day if it falls on a weekend or a county holiday. For more information, please visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes. Did that answer your question?
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Goodbye.